Do you need some extra money but you are lazy to do tasks, watch PTC ads and other? Then stay here because we have solution. With IPRoyalPawns you can earn money by doing nothing. You just get paid by running their program in the background, while sharing your internet. To start, click on the link in the description and register on the site. After that you need to download their program and start it. And then just continue in whatever you were doing, but now with getting paid. You get paid 10 cents per 1 GB data shared and a bonus of 2 cents for every hour you have the program running. The minimum payout is $1 and you can get paid via PayPal and Payoneer. So this is how the dashboard looks like. You have there your current balance and the amount of data shared. Here in this tab you can download the program. After you install it and launch it will look like this. You don't have to have it opened like this whole day. But every time you turn off your computer don't forget to launch it again. There is also affiliate system in IPRoyalPawns. You get 10% of every payout of users register under your link. That means if user registered under your link and make a payout of $1 you will get 10 cents. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions ask them in the comments and you will get answer. If you want leave a like and subscribe. Enjoy and have a good day.